Hey, for those of you that don't know me, I'm Katie Haynes. I'm a health coach for busy women who feel like they just haven't been able to nail healthy eating. So I help make healthy feel really simple so that you can not only stick with it, but eating well just becomes like your new normal. So you've downloaded the 7-day clean eating reset, and I am so excited for you. I put a ton of work into this to get it just right, and I know it's gonna help you not only get back on track, but also help you begin to feel really comfortable in your body again. So you're not only gonna see maybe better energy, better sleep, less tummy bloat, but you're just gonna start to feel really, really fantastic. In order to get the most out of this guide, there are two things that I want you to do. First, make sure you read through the whole thing, download the planner. That's a really big deal. Go through it and actually schedule things in your calendar, because when it's scheduled, it is so much more likely to get done, right? And then the second thing I want you to do is to identify your anchor habit. So I talk all about the anchor habit in the reset, but basically it's just your core feel-good habit. And when you know what your anchor habit is, you can get back on the healthy bus anytime you need to. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna let you get to it. Over the next few days, you're gonna be getting a few emails from me with more resources to help you thrive. If you have any questions at all, just email me back. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.